Item number 11, submission on the proposed Waikato CDL EM Group Plan.
Yes, through the chair, if I may, in the absence of Mr. Fox, to take this item as read. The draft group plan was a part of the Emergency Management Committee agenda and was taken as read then. We had a quite a fruitful discussion and several different points were pulled out from there. It was then said that if anyone had any feedback to let Mr. Fox know within the next 2 weeks, and he didn't receive any additional feedback. So although some of the points in the submission letter may look a bit pedantic, this is a 5-year plan and we're just wanting to make sure we cover off as much as we could, and they pretty much know that Taupo will like to speak their mind to the committee. So yeah, I'm happy to answer any questions, but otherwise I'm happy to move it.
Okay, thank you. Any questions of Councillor Parks?
Sorry. Just to know, Mr. Chairman, the final line talks about the macron.
Yes.
Has that officially been approved because the council was just decided we wanted a piece of paper?
I know there was a process that was gone through. I think it was before my time on council, when I can't remember his name, was the manager of Scott
Pearson.
So we can actually see a physical council resolution that says the macron goes. Yeah.
But also, well, I'm not quite sure if it was, but if, after doing some pronunciation classes recently, depending on how the vowel is said, whether it's short or long, the macron indicates that it's long.
Which one?
The longer the vowel, the macron goes.
Yeah, the macron goes over if the pronunciation of the vowel is
So
long,
it's a long
rather than short,
toe.
so it's Taupo.
Long.
Taupo.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. So it just shows.
Long.
Yeah.
Toes are always short of pause. All right, thank you, Councillor Park.
I just really sure I just had one question for Councillor Park, just to clarify. We had some discussion on the day about the delegated financial authority of the controllers, because this plan seeks to give them unlimited and, no limits under a declared emergency. Where did we land with that?
If I can, through the chair, Mrs. Jakes, who is one of our controllers, we had a controllers meeting and.
Yeah, so the outcome of the controllers meeting was that there would be no change to that. The thought process around that is that you're a controller anywhere in the district, and therefore those financial delegations should be the same for whether you're a local or one from out of the area.
Okay, so how does that impact on the decision we made earlier today then? Well, it supersedes it, doesn't
if
it?
this plan comes into effect with no changes to that particular item, then that will overrule basically the financial delegations that were being recommended through the committee.
Yes, but then through the chair, but it gives a controller, if they're not, who comes into the area, some sort of comfort around where they can go to before they need to have the conversations with the CEO about what gets spent over and above that.
This will be some thresholds.
Okay, all right.
Levels there, so
I'm just
100k will
checking
still
the
be.
checks and balances.
Yeah, this will be the
of that
threshold amount where you start to have a conversation with the CEO.
That's right, we know where you live.
Might change.
All right, thank you.
Okay, right, thank you, Councillor Park, for your excellent presentation of the agenda item then. And you've moved it too, apparently?
Yes.
Yes, Councillor. Seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. Item number 12, change to common seal. Straightforward.
Hopefully.
10? Oh, 10. Right.
So, yes, as you can see on 12/1, our old common seal there is getting quite hard to read, and it's used for a whole lot of processes like warrants and other purchase agreements. So time for a change in terms of having to redo the seal. So I thought it's appropriate if we have to make some new seals to be able to make them in line with our new logo.
Stamps don't cost too much, do they?
No, not very much at all.
Unbudgeted? All right, well, thank you very much, Tina, excellent. Do we have a movement for that resolution? Thank you, Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Collins. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried.